For the last 10 years, we've been obsessed with one thing: helping people get out and explore. We've traveled the world, listened to hundreds of thousands of customers, and built gear that's trusted in nearly every corner of the planet.
And our latest obsession, camera straps. Because for years, it felt like you've had two choices: something that's secure but annoying to use, or something that's fast but always left you wondering if your camera was actually attached. And we kept asking ourselves, why can't it be both?
That question turned into 2.5 years of prototypes, testing, redesigns, starting over. And eventually it turned into this. This is the patent-pending magnetic core lock. And honestly, it's different than anything else out there. The magnet pulls the Taurus link into place, the design self-centers, and it secures automatically. One hand, one motion, done. Seriously, you could do this all day.
But making it fast was only half the challenge. We also wanted it to be ridiculously secure. So to release it, both buttons have to be intentionally pressed at the same time. Kind of like launching a nuke, because dropping your camera is basically that serious. And on top of that, we've built in an anti-bump tension lock. So if there's weight on the system, it physically won't disengage, which means it's fast when you want it to be fast and secure when you need it to be secure. One thing people notice right away is that the core lock isn't made out of metal. And that's intentional. It's made from a fiberglass reinforced nylon that's commonly used in industrial applications to replace metal parts. So it's incredibly strong and durable, but unlike metal hardware, it's not going to scratch your camera while you're using it.
Of course, none of that matters if it isn't strong. Each Taurus link is rated to 90 kilograms or 200 pounds of force, and we tested the hell out of it. We loaded it way beyond anything you'd ever put a camera strap through, because your camera hitting the ground is a terrible way to discover a design flaw.
The Taurus links are small, low profile, and easy to leave on every camera you own. And that's why we include 4 with the neck straps and 2 with the wrist strap. Switching cameras takes seconds.
We even built in a wear indicator. Black, you're good. Yellow, time to order a new one. Red, let's not get to red. Not everybody carries a camera the same way, so we didn't want a one-size-fits-all solution. You can wear it around your neck, crossbody, or sling style, and with the large adjustment range, it's easy to dial in exactly how you like to carry. Tight and secure when you're moving, looser when you're actively shooting, whatever works for you.
My favorite feature might actually be this. The strap can attach to itself, so when you're putting your camera on a tripod, shooting a video, or just don't want the strap hanging around, you disconnect it, clip it to itself, and done. No stuffing it in a pocket, no throwing it on the ground, or wondering where you left it. And because this hardware is modular, you can also carry your camera sling style from a single point of attachment.
Once we knew the system worked, we knew we couldn't stop at one strap, so we made 3. The 30mm for all-day carry, the 15mm light for a more packable, lightweight profile, and the wrist strap for people who like to keep things minimal. Same magnetic core lock, same high-quality materials, same ridiculously fast connection.
Maybe you already have a strap you love. Awesome, keep it. The DIY kit lets you bring it into the WANDRD ecosystem. Whether it's a vintage leather strap, your favorite custom strap, or the one that's been with you since your very first camera. We're not asking you to replace it, we're just upgrading the connection.
2.5 years, countless prototypes, a completely new system built from the ground up.
Because this wasn't something we just wanted to be good. It had to be something that you'd trust your camera with.
Kickstarter pricing is live right now.
It's the best deal we're going to offer all year. Grab yours while it's available.
And we'll see you guys out there.